Hey, what's up guys? So it's the first weekend back from after Big Ben, and we put about maybe a little over 2,000 miles on that trip, and it was right after we installed the catch can, the UPR Catch Can for the Ranger Raptor. So I just want to do a quick follow-up video just to see what all we captured. Give me one second, I need two hands. So clearly you can see we definitely had a good time with the Raptor out there. It's a bit of a mess. Need to clean the engine bay for sure. Alright, so first I just wanted to check this connection here that we drilled for the wide open throttle and the intake boot. Everything looks good, there's no cracking. Alright. All the connections over here are still good. Nothing's loose. Everything's still connected here really well. Alright. So, let me see. Let me put you guys down for a second and unscrew this. I'm gonna need two hands. So it looks like you could, this is what this is for. You just unscrew this guy. Make sure not to lose the washer. Set the washer right here, and that will make it to where this can come up easier, and then you can remove it, take a look. All right, let me put you guys down for a second. All right, took a little bit of finagling. I finally got it loose. 1 second. So let me set that down. That's kind of what it looks like off. See if I can get you a good view. Let's see if I can get you guys a good view. So yeah, that's a little bit after about 2,000 miles. Here's maybe a couple tablespoons worth of, it smells like gasoline and oil. But yeah. It's not too bad. We'll check it again at the first oil change at 5,000 miles. I'll let you guys know how it is from there. I'm gonna put it back together. Just gonna leave it and see how much it collects in total at the first oil change. All right guys, thanks for checking out the video. Help us get to 500 subscribers. And if you like the video, give us a like as well. Thank you, have a great weekend.